Welcome to Python Fundamentals section of this course. This section serves as a stepping stone to your exciting Python journey. In this section, we will explore the core concepts and building blocks of Python programming that form the foundation of your Python skills. So let's take a closer look at what you can expect to learn in this engaging section. So first of all, we'll discuss variables and different data types. We'll discover the concepts of variables and their role in storing the data, and we'll dive into world of different data types including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists and dictionaries. Okay, and then we will discuss operators and expressions, wherein we will learn various types of operators. And then we'll follow up with control flow, where we'll master the art of control flow structures like if-else statements for making decisions based on conditions, and explore loop structures like for and while loops, okay, which are used for repetitive code execution. And then we'll unlock the potential of functions in Python. We'll discover how to create functions, encapsulate the blocks of code, and perform specific tasks. And we'll also learn how to interact with the user by accepting input from the keyboard, and dive into displaying output to the console using print statements, making your program more interactive. And finally, we'll explore common data structures like lists and dictionaries, and we'll learn how to store and manipulate collections of items using lists, and organize and access data efficiently using dictionaries. So by mastering these Python fundamentals, you will lay a solid groundwork for your Python journey, and you will gain essential skills and knowledge. So get ready to dive into exciting world of Python programming, and let's start a strong foundation together.